German import time. It's a beauty too, 2007 BMW M6 Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 27,706 on the odometer at the moment. Well maintained, adult driven. There's actually a folder, miscellaneous receipts with oil changes, tire rotations, tire installation, what have you. Tires are actually put on in 2017. Oil was changed 400 miles ago. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Of course, the 5-liter V10 underneath the hood. We'll take a peek at that in a little bit. 7-speed automated manual transmission. Indianapolis red metallic. Check out the still pictures on this monster. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see paint shows nicely. I did notice one little spot over here, and I'm being pretty darn fussy. One little chip right there, but you can see nice metallic to it. Continental Extreme Contacts are the radials that they put on. Still has the stock wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Note the side glass. There's some window tint on this. Know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Passenger side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, we have those big brake rotors behind those wheels, drilled, and that is at all 4 corners. I mentioned the oil was changed approximately 400 miles ago, as well as the serpentine belt. That was changed, charcoal cabin filter, also water pump. Receipts for that in the folder, and again, approximately 400 miles ago. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out those still pics. So you'll see the car from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. You'll also see the manuals that do come with this car. Picture that folder with the miscellaneous receipts in it. Again, clean Carfax, 27,706. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You'll see a lot of late model, kind of high performance sports cars, and you'll also see a lot of classics. Very interesting YouTube channel to follow. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Whoops, a little touch-up spot right here too. Just notice that. Of course, all your modern amenities that you're going to have on a BMW of this vintage and obviously model, being the 6 Series. Take a look at the seats. Excellent condition. Like the rest of this car, no surprise there. Again, considered an automatic transmission. Basically automated manual. Tap shift in the steering wheels. Steering wheel controls for tap shift, I should say. And let's insert the key. Stereo working. Turn that down. There you can see the exact miles, 27,706. Close that door. No service engine soon, anything like that. Check engine. Dash looking good. You can see heads up display there also. Looks like we need to put some fuel in it. Dash looks good. Headliner all in nice shape. Let's listen. Sounds good. Let's go ahead and pop this hood. second, get this hood open. And stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this for a drive as usual, show you how it goes down the road too. Alright, and engine bay, nice and clean and tidy as you can see. 500 horse, I believe these were. And again, a 5-liter V10. Good looking engine bay. Again, what you'd expect of the miles. Clean Carfax, a little over 27,000 miles on this 07 BMW M6. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2007 BMW M6, a very nice performance two-door vehicle from BMW. This is an automatic, or you can bump shift it, or you can paddle shift it. It is everything. It is all the good things. Let's see how she feels on the road here. It doesn't let you down on acceleration. Just hold your foot and it shifts. It almost feels like a manual the way it pauses between gears, and feels really good. Nice road feel, nice quiet ride, great looking interior. We have a stereo system that's sounding good. AC is blowing cold. We have a heads-up display for our speedometer, also real gauges, real needles on the gauges for the speedometer, tachometer. Temperature is right around 200, and the fuel tank is showing half full. Nice low miles on this performance car. Very comfortable, multi-position, adjustable leather, bucket seats. Very smooth brakes. Steering wheel, nice and thick with the grip right there at the 10 and 2 points. Corners very flat. Let's punch it again. Yeah, very good running BMW and fun to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this car over at uniqueclassiccars.com.